So I'm going to get ready to do some heart rate variability biofeedback training on the system here. I'm going to use the emWave desktop or professional system. It's made by HeartMath, and this is one of the things that you can do for stress, to manage stress, reduce the negative reactions to stress as practiced with something like this. The system uses an ear clip sensor. It's going to clip on my earlobe like this, and then that wire leads into a USB port on the computer. I'm using a laptop computer that I have here with me. There's also a model that connects to an iPhone or iPad. So this unit is under $300. It's about $250, and you can use it on the computer. I'm going to just do some training here, and you'll see how that works. So I'm going to put the sensor on, and this just clips on to my shirt. I'm going to go ahead and start the program here. So this is the display screen here that I'm going to start with, and I'm going to zoom in on this so you can see it a little bit better. Okay, so hopefully this is clear enough now. I have a little bit closer, and I started the recording. So you should see here my pulse, and that's being picked up from the sensor that's on my ear. On the top you see my heart rate being graphed, and then here you're going to see my coherence ratio, 3 bars. You have a red bar, a blue bar, and a green bar. So it starts out at 100 low, and eventually we want it to get to 100 high. So the best is if the green bar is all the way at 100 and the red and blue are lower. So first you'll start out with a pattern that's not really that smooth, partly because I'm talking. And what I'm going to do is start doing some diaphragmatic breathing, and that should improve the signal. I'm going to be quiet for a while and do that. Now you can already see the pattern changing as I change my breathing. So the pattern is much smoother, and the movements up and down are much better. So that means my heart rate is speeding up and slowing down more, which is good, because that's what's called the heart rate variability. The more variation there is, the better to a degree. So I'm going to continue doing that. You can also see at the bottom of the screen here my score, my overall score is improving. Now what I'm going to do is stop this recording, and I'm going to switch to a different display. First of all, I'm going to select my my own file here, which will show all the training that I've done so far. So you can see here I've been doing training on this particular file since 2014, I'm sorry, 2011. And so I'm going to start a different type of training here, which uses game display, which for some people is a little more interesting than using the graph display. So it's loading the screens where I'll be able to select the different types of games. So the next thing I'll show you is this meadow game. This only lasts for 3 minutes. So what happens is we start out with a black and white scene here, and as I'm training, it should fill in with more and more color and detail. And that's indicating that I'm doing well with my heart rate variability. So a good heart rate variability score is an indication of relaxation and a positive emotional state, which is something that's healthy for us. On the bottom of the screen you can see the green. That's indicating a high coherence score, so that means that I'm doing well. When we're about a minute and a half into the training session, and it lasts for 3 minutes, so we're already more than halfway done. So it looks like I've completed the picture because we got the rainbow in there. It says congratulations, so that means I did really well. And then we can go back here. We can select any of the other games that are available. There's also a coherence coach, which helps you to learn how to do the training. Here it has a breath trainer, so you could see the ball moving up and down. That would show the inhale and exhale. And it has a voice that guides you through that. I'm not going to go through all of that now, but that's a guide that's included. One of the games that I like to use is the balloon game. So I'm going to do some training on the, I'll be doing some training on the balloon game, and I think I will go ahead and do the full session. So I will see you later. You can hang out and watch me do the training, but I'll talk to you later. And of course, this is my book here, What Stress Can Do, and I'm really excited about that. Hope you'll check it out. You can go to Amazon.com and find it there. And there's also a link that I'll share at the end of the video where you can also um, order the book directly. Okay? Take care. I'm going to do my training. So I finished my training, and it says congratulations, you made it to the end, so that's good. And I made it in 6 minutes and 36 seconds. You have up to 10 minutes to make it, so that was a good training session. I could change the challenge level if it seems to get too easy for me, and there's 4 levels of challenge, so I can change that if I want to. But that's a good session for me. This is something that I do, and I will be doing more regularly, along with other forms of biofeedback, as part of my program to work on improving my blood pressure. I have hypertension that runs in my family. Both parents had that, and so I'm looking at natural ways to decrease the problem, both decreasing my weight, changing my diet, exercising, doing biofeedback like this, relaxation, and managing stress, and seeing what foods might be playing a part in that too. So those are some of the things that I'm doing, but the biofeedback can help with many different types of issues, anywhere from tension headaches, hypertension, anxiety, panic attacks, and performance problems like fear of public speaking, test anxiety, all these types of things, fear of flying, and so on. So something I encourage you to check out. These products like this are available on my website, mindbodydevices.com, and there's also information on the book on the website as well, where you can download a free sample copy of the book, What Stress Can Do. On the website, mindbodydevices.com, you'll see a link where you can download a free copy of the sample of the book, and then you can order the complete book directly from there. Okay? Thanks for watching. Take care.